Decorate my fireplace with me for Christmas. So I started off with one piece of garland, and then I stuffed it with different picks and stems, and then I hung our Christmas stockings up, and I added some really cute name tags that I got off Etsy with our names on them, and then I added some red ribbon to bring in red in the space, and I think that contrasts very well with those cream stockings. I added some Christmas trees, a basket with a blanket and a throw pillow, and I added some twinkle lights, and boom, I think it looks so pretty. And then I put on a Christmas background from YouTube, and I have the full video on my YouTube channel in my bio.